Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gabriel Jesus to Arsenal, it done officially completed. Now Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits. Now they announced him yesterday. So I even went live on Twitter, on Facebook and YouTube to give everybody the information so everybody don't see him. So this deal now, it costs Arsenal £45 million for the deal. Then the guy's salary, like I talked about, I go check him, I go declare according to the Mirror, the salary is £190,000 per week. Now what will give the guy. And Fabrizio Romano let us know say like 6 different clubs. Now they go for this guy, but the guy choose Arsenal. Like he say, not only Arsenal in want to get. The Chelsea were there, Manchester United was there, Spurs, many different clubs go for him. But he thought say now Arsenal in they choose. Why? Because Arteta and Edu Gaspar don't really convince them, sell the project to them, say you are going to be the focal point, you are going to be the face of the project, you're going to get game time like week in, week out, you will play, nobody be number 9 now, we just get only in Ketia, now you will be the senior man, Ketia will learn work for your hand, like they sold the project for him, and himself as a human being, if you can't look other clubs, go really say if you go there now, you go to fight for competition, some kind of people did there, if you don't get game time, and everybody wants game time because don't forget the World Cup is on the horizon. So that is why the guy can say, okay, he would like to join us. Now I can sign a 5-year contract from now till 2027. At that time the contract will expire. So we are looking at great business because don't forget that this guy is a serial winner. He knows what it takes to win. These are the professionals we are saying we want to get, experienced players. If nobody say Man City signed Julian Alvarez and Erling Haaland, waiting this guy will find for there. That's why I got us okay, make Kukuma join us. And nobody here will don't sign. Don't forget say Fabio Vieira don't day here. McQueen himself don't day here. We are expecting Matt Stoner anytime soon to show so we don't get like 4 different players. Now Saliba when they come, Saliba be like a new player, a new signing. So just count and say we'll get 5 players when they come. You get already signed. Before they check about who else again. Wow, this season is one of the most optimistic seasons where I don't see move going in. Because for a very long time, why they support Arsenal, I never think say they don't get this particular buzz where they born me like this burning sensation for Arsenal. Say like when it make me the positive say we are looking at good things ahead of us. Get because many people don't they ask where this money they come from. Even now before people they say Stan Kroenke say no one spend, they don't want bring money. Now people are wondering. Man, you fans are asking me, Spurs fans are asking, where una they see the money? Be before we say Arsenal would depend on selling player before they buy. Now when they buy, we never even sell anybody. So where una they see all this money, which means the budget when they talk say Arsenal will buy up to like maybe £250 million. It's possibly that it's real because we never even signed our targets finish. We are looking at Raphinha, we are looking at Lisandro Martinez, we are looking at Yuri Tillemans. Many things will still happen because don't forget say times we never even reach July, we never even enter August because as transfer window self be that, so a lot of things can still go on. People just want to buy our players first, then later we'll come sell the ones who will sell. Well, anyway, all these things they go short like no side here to let you know. Then away from that, so Marseille don't they come outside, they prepare £25 million. See they won't sign William Saliba. Now our monitoring spirit they record the Mirror and then let us know this one. I don't know why they would disturb our 21-year-old. Change by force. Change they think say money in our problem. You get money in our problem. They will know when they buy people they buy, but they sell now. So money actually is not a problem. And then say they do mistake. You get one footage you then go crop together of all Saliba performances. If you watch that footage, you will be hungry. Say Saliba comes. Saliba was a beast. In that footage, see tackles, see header, see sliding, as in no nonsense, as in just like Vidic, guy just say, it bust my brain. So every Arsenal fan will watch that footage when Marcel drop. They go on watch that thing because they say he joined from Arsenal on loan and he made so tackles, he made headers, he made this one, and the guy they dribble on the ball. But as in, now the kind of player way Arteta they want is comfortable on the ball, makes passes. The guy go make sense of it. Just imagine Saliba don't enter, Lisandro Martinez can enter. So next season is going to be a banger. But for Marseille, there's no reason now. You know go work, money no be our problem now. We are okay, so you know go work. Fabrizio Romano sef dey come outside dey let us know say Arsenal don schedule meeting with Leeds for next week. Say they wan follow dem talk about this Raphinha, make dem know wetin dey sup, you get. Because one thing wey I believe say if e make dem wan do that meeting be say as of right now, me and you dey talk now, Manchester United and Barcelona don agree a deal in principle for £69 million. But the thing is say Man U go pay the money structurally, you get. They go pay am in installments. And why Barcelona won't make that sale? Because Barcelona self gets Bernardo Silva for their eye and they get Raphinha for their eye. Now, talking about this Raphinha deal now, Raphinha, make una no forget, Raphinha agent na Deco, and Deco don play for Barcelona before. Now, Deco don do the deal in a way we say Raphinha don already agree personal terms with Barcelona. The thing will be the hiccup for the deal now because Barcelona no get enough money to complete the deal. They don already pay £40 million. The league say no, so they look out for £65 million. Now they don't have the money. At the same time, Barcelona get player who won't come out as a free agent, which is Ousmane Dembele. They look say if Dembele come out, go join Chelsea. Because Dembele never agreed their own contract, so they don't offer for him. They don't even threaten to pull out the contract. So if Dembele moves as a free agent to Chelsea, then Barcelona can sell Frenkie de Jong to Manchester United. They will not have more money and use the money and come and buy the Raphinha. And everybody knows say Raphinha don't make my Barca in first choice. You get. So that is all the variables will surround the deal. Now, if Ousmane Dembele no go again, maybe no go Chelsea and free agent, you can't accept a new contract. Barcelona go forget the personal terms, so they don't accept to Raphinha. They no go want go for Raphinha again. You see, all this is dependent on so many things. Now we say Man U and Barca don't agree Frenkie de Jong own money don't be available now. So anything can happen. So Raphinha said go hear all this in the read newspaper now. You know those okay bad don't they can come for me anytime. Arsenal said no go want to waste their time like saying a Vlahovic issue. You remember how they waste our time Vlahovic? We did there, whereby player get a mind for another place. So maybe they go do the meeting say how far na money truly una need. I be this player won't go back. I'm not going to waste our time. I'm going to find another target. Many wingers dey. Nobody Raphinha be the winger. Zaha still dey there. You get. So people yakpa. So nobody say we can't come and they kill ourselves. So that's what it is. So anyhow with this deal they go. Whether Ousmane Dembele go, the premier Ousmane Dembele no go Chelsea. If he no go Chelsea, Raphinha still dey up for grabs. Anytime they want to go Chelsea, space don't dey for their wing there. And then say they want return Adama Traore. So they go need somebody, a winger will go for that place, and they'll come back and they go for our Raphinha. And if they come out officially say, oh yeah, £65 million, don't get 40 before, yeah, take additional kidney, bah, Raphinha go jago there. At the same time, Freddie Paxton will be one of our super monitoring spirits. Come outside, can give his own expose for this Raphinha matter. So, back on to say Arsenal no go withdraw for this Raphinha deal. Get say in the next couple days we will get more clarity. Next couple days will be very key to this Raphinha deal because a lot of things have been said about Raphinha. Everybody knows first choice na Baka Shola. Everybody knows the second choice Arsenal and they push. Tottenham Hotspur, they don't really did there. Richarlison they carry for head again. So we never know how it will be. So in the next coming days, Baba they talk say everything will be very clear. Almost the wait. Even our monitoring spirit they call PL Transfer Center said don't come outside. Call the talk say Lisandro Martinez to Arsenal. Say na done deal. Say Arsenal don't agree £35 million deal plus £5 million add-ons for the guy. Say the guy don't already sort in personal terms with Arsenal. Then Arsenal will meet on Monday with Lisandro Martinez representatives to finalize the deal. This one na their own take. Say na exclusive. And I know say I don't explain to na say some journalists will get exclusive story. They say na only them get that story. Before others will come the report, come the attribute them, come they put their name. Say okay, so person talk. Say you get the way we take the report. Fabrizio Romano news. Don't say I just give them attribution. So sometimes journalists like this can be right, but because the news never depopulated, many media houses never publish them. I go fear. So making I take this news with a pinch of salt. Then in the coming days, we'll know whether many media houses don't they publish. I remember when Ben Jacobs be the first person will come outside, come break this Jesus story. Say Jesus don't accept back. Say in the coming days, the guy go join Arsenal. Now only in the poster before after some days, like 3 days. Fabrizio Romano, David Ornstein, David Whitley, Charlie Watts, everybody on the poster. You see, say now he first get the scoop. So now so it just be more to watch. Then Chris Whitley said, maybe one of Arsenal correspondents said, not come as I can talk. Say Saliba contract, say Arsenal they do the talks, say everything they go positively. You get. Say Saliba they set to turn up for pre-season But the Coco be say the guy get like I think 2 years left on his contract. Make Arsenal try all their possible bets. Make sure say they give him a contract extension, make him sign, because even no sign, it no go really make sense. It go really affect us because at least we make a 1 year left on the contract. The guy go on move. But I don't say that Martinez they bust in brain. That Martinez they really celebrate and well for there. But then are first 11 members now. But if you come for Arsenal now, you can start to the fight on your own shirts because EPL is a different kettle of fish. Before you just dislodge Gabriel Jesus and Ben White, you know go dey easy like that to get. So he has to prove that he has what it takes to thrive in the EPL. Mode watch. When I go live for Facebook yesterday, our senior man Ayuba Ewenla Baba send me 5k. Get just make I send my account number for the live updates. Put the comments after the show. I send him why me 5k to support our ministry and just encourage me for the movement. So I say when help me thank Oga Ayuba. I'll say he try very well. It's a very good sign of generosity and I'm very appreciative of it. Our familiar settings, I want to ask Raphinha. I believe say this is an old clip, no be saying na current. Because they ask and say, wetin give am the ginger, the morale to attract them come for EPL. So Baba Koto say, well, wetin attract them come EPL? Now be in the watch Arsenal, you get in the watch Arsenal and in the watch Henry dey fly that time for year, they thrive, they make sense. Because okay, this club, this league, be like na here myself, I won't go. You get, say those days when Henry they thrive, when be Igwe, they control everything, they rule England. Many upcoming wingers they look up to them. Both on Mbappe, there plenty where they look up to them and say, this is not my nigga, this is not my guy. I like the way the guy they play, when they dribble everybody they go score, when they run, Many people they idolize, I know Jonathan David, even Alexander Isaac, many people, them plenty. So I don't know whether that one will sway Raphinha mind to come join us, but everything they dependent on whether Barca will offer a complete bid. They offer the bid, and I forget this guy. I'm going to do low watch, so our player will come Mika Bierret don't go join RKC 1 week, and for his debut, Baba scored 2 goals. This guy an upcoming player, the guy they boss net like man. I like how they send him out on loan. Man go develop, the guy good goal. The guy get goal scoring records, like they score goals for fun and assist money now upcoming. You get. So after this loan now we'll see how it will be. I don't say Ateta said will get one eye to watch the guy because I don't follow the guy history for long. The guy they score goals, 20-something goals per season for junior league. The guy they score well. Cucurella don't agree contract with Manchester City. Now I'm monitoring spirit where they call the Telegraph. And then they let us know this one and how this news is significant to us. Say Cucurella have left back. And for City, they get Joe Cancelo and they get Alexander Zinchenko. So now, Zinchenko Arsenal won't sign and make off play for midfield because now midfield being preferred position where they play for Ukraine. So that is why Man City won't sign Cucurella so that they can let Zinchenko leave. Because the guy don't even they get playing time and everybody wants playing time. So as they don't agree contract, I think the deal they cost them like 60-something million euros, which is about 50-something million pounds. May not say Man City get the money to bomb because Cucurella is not worth that price. Somebody that's made 2 assists, yes, 2 assists in 38 games. The guy don't really do a lot now. So what's the thing? Just 2 assists as a left back in 38 games, and it cost like 50-something million pounds. Are you whining me? Anyway, they don't say Man City get money. So once that deal done, they completed, they just accept the contract. Once they done, the fee don't change hands, everything done the official, then Arsenal can officially go for Zinchenko. So imagine it's Zinchenko now with massive experience, a serial winner, coming to join Arsenal handling midfield. When you watch Ukraine matches, you will see what is Zinchenko. They just going to say this guy is a senior man in the making and he's still very, very young. So we got to set up a group of core young players, so the senior men now. So that in the future, everywhere will stew. We'll just the watch. The mirror don't come aside, come the attribute sports. Maybe one Catalonia media house. So they call the talk say Arsenal don't pull out of Raphinha race. Again, I will see them, they let us know. So see, I thought I say many stories they happen for this Raphinha deal. We don't really know which is which. More just they keep an eye because this one I don't come aside say Arsenal don't pull out of the race. And why? Because Raphinha is holding out for Barcelona. Raphinha knows that Barcelona and Manchester United have agreed a deal in principle for Frenkie de Jong. So money will change hands and they'll can't get enough money to come sign them. So we never know whether they'll get the money to go sign Bernardo Silva, leave Raphinha, come collect Ousmane Dembele, give him a bumper contract. Many variables, many things will still happen for this deal. So as it did now, we never really know Shola. Say, na so place, Raphinha won't go. But what me I don't want, I make them no go waste their time. And Arsenal no want to make them use us as a Trojan horse to fight maybe Barcelona. Maybe they call it Barcelona and say, Arsenal want time, Arsenal want time, when I come pay quick, Arsenal want time, no, all those kind of tactics. Now we will not want, and we don't want a bidding war. Say back I will look, say okay, Arsenal don't did it, Arsenal offer one first bid, then reject them. Or I'm going to give them a bigger bid. Arsenal going to say, they don't give bigger bid, I'm going to give our own. No, don't want that. Again. So anyway, all these things they go, Shola, but let you know. Charlie Watts now come outside and let us know say Thomas Partey don dey fully fit and recovered, ready to enter and fire for pre-season. And our own prayer be that everybody don dey fire, because we need everybody, we need all our best legs for pre-season. Imagine everybody don dey fit for Arsenal. How our first level will be? First level will be dead. I catch anybody, knock anybody, give anybody woto. It dey whine me. I just dey happy say everybody don dey fit. Wetin remain now na Kylian Tierney. I never know any update about that guy. The physios never give us any updates. We don't know whether he go dey fit for pre-season or are we going to be shut one man down. You get where everything will come start. So I never really know. Well, time still dey, July still dey. Maybe by July the guy go fit recover and come back. I never really know. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your new week. Now get out.